Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Michael, Love and Freedom. Hey, today I'm going to be showing you guys an area over here, what they call Bridgetowne. And I had done a previous video of this area during the evening time, but they was under construction of doing this little area. And this area kind of remind me of the Dragon Bridge and Da Nang, Vietnam. And they kind of got a resemblance of that at night. It lit up, but they don't have the dragon head on it or anything like that. But they do have a famous statue, what they call it, the Victor statue. I think that's what they call it, the Victor statue over here in what they call Bridgetowne. And it is adjacent to the brand new mall that they built over here, Opus Mall. This is the mall, Opus Mall, which the statue this way, right there, as you can see, is a famous Victor statue. So we're going to walk just a little bit up here, and I'm going to show you guys the statue. Hopefully they finish with the other part of the statue area of the bridge. I see them doing some more constructing in this area, but I'm not sure how much they have finished with their remodeling of the area. And I see that they have also cleaned up the river. The river was nasty. It was packed with trash and everything. A little windy out here today. I'm sure it's going to rain. It's going to bring the rain in, but I'm going to show you guys just a little bit of this statue. I'm going to walk down here, get a few steps in, and show you guys this statue, since I'm out enjoying this beautiful breeze today here in Manila, Philippines. So come along, guys. Let's go. Yeah, like I say, it kind of resembling of in Vietnam and Da Nang. They have what they call the Dragon Bridge. When you cross over the bridge at night, it light up the fire-breathing, water-breathing dragon and Da Nang, Vietnam. If you guys haven't seen that video, please go over to my channel and check that video out of the fire-breathing dragon and Da Nang, Vietnam, guys. But this is a nice little walk, a nice little view of the Bridgetowne. Walking across over here, checking out the river here. Very nice day. Not too humid. Haven't rained yet, but I'm sure it's probably going to rain later on this evening. And it's going to bring in a little bit of that humidity once it rains. But I am impressed. They have cleaned up this bridge, this river. It was a lot of trash over here last time I came. Not a bad little walk. Bridgetowne over here. This is a river view of the bridge. I see they finished the sidewalk here with the bricks in it and cleaned up the river. There was a lot of trash in this river last year when we came. It's been about a year ago when we was over here in this area. Oh, wow. They have cleaned this area up. And I see them still building another building over here. Look like they're doing another infrastructure on this area. I don't think that big building there was completed last time we were here. But this is a nice little area, nice little breeze, nice little walk. I'm just going to get me a few steps in over here and enjoy this little scenery. Look right here, guys. That is beautiful. That is lovely right there. I like that scenery right there, guys. I'm really enjoying the nice atmosphere here in Manila, Philippines, guys. I must say, we really enjoy coming to the Philippines, meeting with the locals, enjoying the great hospitality that they provide. I know you probably hear a lot of people say they really don't like the Philippines or like the infrastructure or whatever, but we travel for peace of mind, see something new, just to reset. I know I probably say I've seen this area before, so it's not new, but it's new when you've been sitting, seeing the same thing for months and months at a time. So it's definitely different. It's a change of scenery. And also you got to consider the last time we was over here, they wasn't completely finished with this area. Look at that. That's a nice statue right there, guys. You can see this statue as you crossing the bridge. When you cross the bridge at night, that's lit up over here in this area. So you'll cross over there going in Pasig area. This is still considered the Pasig area in Manila, Philippines. And I can see that they are still doing just a little bit of work. Looks like they're carving out certain parts on the sidewalk here, replacing some of the tile. Look like that's what they're doing over here. But it's not a long walk from the Opus Mall. The Opus Mall right back there, which it didn't take me maybe a good 5 minutes to walk over here to this area. And I'm gonna walk over here now that they have finished this little area. And it is definitely a nice little area, guys. Definitely a nice little area. They was constructing all this last time we came. This was not finished. They haven't even completed. They hadn't even completed the statue, I don't think, last time we came. Look at that. It's pretty cool. And that's light up at night. They have a light that lights up and you'll be able to see it from the road over there at night. But I guess all this area right here, light ups at night. I see a lot of little lights, star lights here. Peace of mind. What that say? What's that? Content and happiness. Okay. So I guess you buy a star and you write whatever you want on that star and place it over here on this little area here. And it's called the Walk of that Winds. Walk of Winds or Vines? That's Winds, I think. Walk of Winds. Walk of Winds. Yeah, that's a W. Okay. Not a bad little area. Got a little coffee shop over here. A little hot dog, hamburger place over here. I guess when they have events over here, look like they setting up over here right now for a certain event over here. I see them putting up a stage. And this is definitely a nice little area, guys. Nice little area. What a wonderful day to be able to get out, get some steps in, and enjoy the local scenery here in Manila, guys. Yes, I am in Manila, Philippines. And this is definitely a nice at Bridgetowne. I guess they call it Christmas at Bridgetowne. Turn around the back. There's a little sign up there that said Christmas at Bridgetowne. So, yeah, very nice little spot, guys. Very nice little spot. And I must say, the sun is beaming today. It is definitely a little bit of a sun shining today. Not like yesterday. Yesterday was a little overcast. The sun didn't come out too much yesterday, but it wasn't a bad day. It did come down with a nice shower yesterday when we was out, but for the most part, we just went out to the market to get some fresh fruits and vegetables and headed back into the house. But I'm going to go ahead and walk back this way and go into the Opus Mall to see if they open up any more shops inside the mall. The mall was fairly new as well when we first came. So I'm going to walk over here to the Opus Mall, check it out, and see if they have anything else new that they can provide for this video. But I just want to show you guys that statue. They call it the Victor statue over here in Bridgetowne. Very nice area. Hello. Good morning. Well, actually, it's already past noon, but they still say morning. It's about 12:30 afternoon on Thursday. But you see how people walk past and speak, you know. That's what I love about the Philippines, guys. The people are so generous, so nice. No one showing hostility. No one's angry. Hello. Everybody, for the most part, are happy-go-lucky. Happy-go-lucky. That's what I enjoy about it. But I'm gonna go get these little few steps in, and then I'm gonna head back in, wind down for the day. Kind of got up a little early, but I'm gonna go probably get on the treadmill here in a little bit and get my rest of my steps in. But I had to come over here and show you guys this statue that they had completed, and hopefully we get the opportunity to bring you guys at night so you can see all the lights, because right now it's the Christmas time of the year, and this whole area is lit up. Entire area is lit up, guys. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys watching as always. Until the next one, bye now. Peace. One love.